If you're looking to open your own US LLC as a non-US resident, you're at the right place. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to legally form a US LLC as a foreigner. And I'm going to walk you through everything: choosing the right state, using the right registered agent, obtaining your EIN number as a non-resident, and the tax requirements you need to know about. I will be completely transparent about the cost, the timeline, and what documents you're going to receive at the end of the process. And I'm not a U.S. citizen, but I set up my own Wyoming LLC from abroad, and it's fully compliant. I opened a U.S. bank account with it. I use it for Amazon FBA, TikTok Shop, and even for Google AdSense. So let's dive right into the video. Alright, so the first decision you need to make is which state you're going to form your LLC in. And technically, you can register in any state, but if you're a non-US resident, only 3 options really make sense: Wyoming, Delaware, and New Mexico. And the factors that are most important are, first, that the LLC acts as a pass-through entity, so we must pay 0% state income tax. Second, strong privacy protection, meaning that your name as the owner doesn't appear on any public records. And third, low annual fees, as we want to pay as little as possible for our state filings and annual reports. So these 3 states are the friendliest for internationals who just need a clean, low-maintenance U.S. business structure. So let's go ahead and compare these 3 states so you know which one fits you the best. First, we have Wyoming. The annual fees are $60 per year. They have very simple compliance. You just need to file a short annual report online. They have excellent privacy. Members and managers are not listed publicly, so overall, it has low cost and low hassle. It's very reliable and widely recognized. Then we also have Delaware. They have a flat franchise tax of $300 per year, which is a bit more than Wyoming. There's slightly more paperwork, but it is still quite straightforward. And this is chosen mostly for startups or companies planning to raise investment later, so it has more of that corporate prestige, but you're paying for it. Last, we have New Mexico, and this one is heavily overlooked. They have no annual reports and no annual fees at all, which Delaware and Wyoming do have. Privacy is just as strong as Wyoming. There's no public record for owners of the company. However, it's less recognized internationally, and some banks or payment processors might not be as familiar with it. But overall, it's a pretty good alternative option to Wyoming. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going with Wyoming because it's the easiest and the most balanced option for non-US residents, and it's the one that I personally use as well. Then we come to the next step, and that is using a registered agent. A registered agent is basically your official representative in the state where your company is formed. The role of the registered agent is that they receive all legal and government mail for your LLC. This is required, as every US LLC has to list a physical address in the state. And as a non-US resident, this part is completely mandatory, because you obviously do not have a physical presence or address in the US yourself. What they do, in short, is keep your personal information private, ensure you never miss official mail, and make your LLC legally compliant in the state. Now, there are quite a few registered agent services out there, and you're completely free to choose any one you like. It doesn't have to be the same one that I use. That said, I personally went with Northwest Registered Agent, and honestly, they were really good. They've handled everything professionally. Plus, their price is really reasonable, especially for non-residents. So, if you want to follow along with me, I left the link down in the description. Once you land on their homepage, click Let's Get You Started. On the configuration page, select LLC as your business type and Wyoming as your state. You will immediately see the transparent pricing: a $39 service fee plus the $104 Wyoming state filing fee, which includes the $4 online convenience fee. This straightforward approach ensures no hidden costs, allowing you to establish your business professionally and affordably while keeping your personal information off the public record from day one. Now we can click Continue and move into the section where we fill in the actual information for your new company. First up is the company name. This name must be unique within the state of Wyoming, and it must end with a designator like Limited Liability Company or LLC. For this example, I'm going to use the name Test LLC. The next question asks if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. For most people starting out, this is not relevant, so I'm going to click No. Then, for business purposes, you can fill in exactly what you plan to do, whether that's drop shipping, running a marketing agency, or consulting. For the sake of simplicity, you can also just select Use Generic Business Purpose, which is what I personally did. Next, we address the physical and mailing addresses. For both options, I highly recommend selecting the registered agent address. This is the best way to keep your private home address off the public records. After that, we click Continue to select the company management structure. You have two options, Member Managed or Manager Managed. For most small business owners, Member Managed is the best choice. You'll fill in your first and last name and assign it to the registered agent's address. If you have partners, you can click Add Member to include them as well. After filling in your contact information, which Northwest keeps private for billing purposes, you'll see a section for business identity. This includes optional services like a business website, an email address, and a phone number. I generally recommend that you do not use these through the filing service, as you can often find better, more specialized options elsewhere. Next is a critical item, the EIN. The Federal Tax ID is mandatory for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. While you can apply for an EIN for free from the IRS, the process is often a hassle. Northwest can handle this for a small fee, $50 for residents with an SSN, $200 for non-residents. I highly recommend this service for non-U.S. residents as the application process without an SSN is significantly more complex and can take several weeks. Now let's talk about taxes, because this is important. For non-U.S. residents with single-member LLCs in Wyoming, Delaware, and New Mexico, you generally owe $0 U.S. income tax. Your business is treated as a disregarded entity, meaning profits are taxed solely in your home country based on local laws. However, strict federal compliance is mandatory. You must file IRS Forms 5472 and Pro Forma 1120 annually, even if your business earned zero profit. Missing these filings can trigger a massive $25,000 penalty. Additionally, you must file a state annual report, $60 per year in Wyoming, to keep your company in good standing. Do not overlook these requirements. That's everything you need to know about opening a US LLC as a non-US resident. If you have any questions or get stuck, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out.